You have an open invitation to Memphis, Tennessee, the home of the blues and the birthplace of rock and roll and soul. B.B. King, Elvis Presley, Johnny Cash, Otis Redding, and countless others make their mark on the music world right in Memphis. Those musical influences are still ringing out today in the most amazing cultural crossroads. Take in a leisurely cruise down the mighty Mississippi River. Visit Graceland, Sun Studios, the Stax Museum of American Soul, and the Memphis Rock and Soul Museum. Stroll down Beale Street's Walk of Fame. Follow in the footsteps of Howlin' Wolf, John Lee Hooker, Jerry Lee Lewis, Isaac Hayes, Al Green, Bobby Blue Bland, and many more. And you don't want to miss out on the world-famous down-home Memphis cooking. A true diner's delight. Come on to Memphis and absorb the sights, sounds, and flavors of America's most vibrant music mecca. There is so much to do and places to see in the Bluff City, Memphis, Tennessee. Take an online tour at memphistravel.com. It's an American jewel and a must-visit city, Memphis. Take a look today at memphistravel.com.